Hi guys, this is Vishal here, and I'm the member of Team Ursprung, which is coming from ABSIT, okay? And our problem statement is Yamaha e-catalog mobile app, which is totally based on augmented reality, okay? So let's just start the app, okay? First we start from scanning QR code. This is our QR code, and now it's scanned. So guys, this is our image target, okay? So here's our bikes, and this is our Yamaha K9 chopper, okay? You can rotate it and you can use it to zoom. There is a zoom feature also available in this bike. इसमें हम zoom भी कर सकते हैं और rotate भी कर सकते हैं, हर एंगल से देख सकते हैं. And there is one more thing special, and that is image target. ये बहुत stable है. अगर आप image target भी move करते हैं तो बाइक stable भी बहुत रहेगी, okay? And we put our option of language.
यामाहा में आपका स्वागत है। अफजल श्रृंखला यामाहा द्वारा आपके
detail about the bike.
यामाहा में आपका स्वागत है। अफजल श्रृंखला यामाहा द्वारा आपके
And we uses two languages. First is Hindi and second is English, which is common in both state, northern and southern states. And we provided a YouTube link which will directly let you to reviews from the public. There is a total specification of the bike. You can just use the slider. This is our model. This is the front 1-inch ABS and disc brake. This is the specification about the engine. This is monocross suspension, which is very helpful. This is comfortable single piece seat, one user. This is LCD instrument cluster, the digital meter, and this is the LCD LED headlight. And let's get back to the home menu. So we provided a option where user can check the feature of the engine. This is our engine. You can go very close to it. The image is very stable. You can see each and every single piece of that engine, even a single piece of bolt. And
कॉन्टैक्ट डीलर का ऑप्शन है.
and if someone want to find where the bike is available, he can find a dealer in these states, in the particular states. There are dealer type, state, city, and he can search on it.
And feedback.
And he can provide the feedback about the bike, related to the bike that he want to give, that he likes some color, he likes some extra features.
कोई नहीं.
So we just send the feedback, and if user wants to stay anonymous, he can be, and if user wants to show his profile, he can use to log in on that feedback page.
Thank you.
Next model, color change. And let me show you some another. So here comes our second bike. First is white and second is red. This color comes on runtime when the application runs. These were dynamic. So अगर एक से ज़्यादा कलर्स होते हैं तो वो यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे, वो 4 कलर्स अवेलेबल होंगे. सो यूज़र जो आपको पसंद आएगा कलर वो चूज़ कर सकता है. एंड दिस इज़ आवर